Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Unfold backrest to the upright position. The arrow on the mechanism indicates the front of the chair. Using the included M822 mechanism screws, hand thread the screws to connect your mechanism to the bottom of your seat cushion. Prior to fastening the mechanism, ensure that the back bracket is on top. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Secure the backrest onto the seat cushion with L-bar screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Now, firmly tighten all your screws gradually in an alternating pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.